Hi guys, today I'm going to feature the Orbit B-Hyve Smart Sprinkler Timer. You can download the app on your iPhone or your Android. It's one of my favorite features. When you open the app, it will actually notify you of current weather conditions particular to your regions. I have 4 zones on my sprinkler system and I control every zone from my phone in real time, or it can be programmed. I absolutely love the smart watering feature. If it's raining outside, your sprinklers won't go on. Another neat feature that the B-Hyve has is that it keeps track of the weather forecasts and conditions in your area. You can go back and look at your history of watering. You can see how many gallons of water you've used. You can also create different programs. If you just put in new sod, or if you just want to water regularly once or twice a week, you can do that as well. Each program controls the zone and you can adjust how long you want each zone to be watered. Installation is fairly easy. There are instructions on how to install the system and it looks fairly simple. Check out the description below. I have the links to the Amazon store. If you click on my links, you will be supporting a fellow YouTuber and I appreciate it. This product costs it's under $120. I hope you found this video to be informative and I appreciate you watching it. Thank you.